Welcome back to my channel KBS Technoca. Today we are going to understand how quickly we can convert a JSON or XML file into CSharp class. Basically, it's required when you are having a JSON data which is returned from a API, or it's a response from API, or you have a data in JSON, you want to read it and you want to store somewhere other places. So in that case, what you do basically you go read the JSON and can create a manually that particular JSON data equivalent to C# class file, and then you deserialize it, right? So today's in this video, you will be able to convert any JSON or XML file into C# class without writing a single line of code. It's just a conversion using Visual Studio, right? So we will go step by step and we'll try to understand how we can do that. So for doing that, I'm just going to create a new project. So I open Visual Studio, and then I'll be opening a console application. So I will open a console application and then I will create a new class. So I'm going to create a new project, right? And then I will select a console application here. Okay. So I select a console application and then I will create a next. And then what I will give here name as a JSON or XML to C star, like that. We can give any name, that's fine. Okay, so I will just create it, and then I will select .NET 6.0, and then I will. So it's a creating. Once the project created, I will create a dummy class here. So let's say this project loaded, and then what I will do, I will create a new class here. So I will add new item, and then I will select class, and then I will, yeah, I will select a class, and then I will give a name to that particular class, like the JSON to C sharp, something like that. You can give any name. I'm just giving this name. That's fine. So I created. What I need to do, I need to delete this. Now, let's first try to convert JSON to C sharp. So what I'm going to do that, I don't have any file here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out a JSON data, right? So I will just JSON complex data sample, right? I just search it. So I can copy any data. Let's try to find some other data. So I just click here and I will copy it. Let's say I copy this JSON data, right? And then what I will do, I will go there, and then I deleted the class name. I just put only the namespace, and just I will save it. And then I will go to edit menu, and then I will click on the paste, and I will paste here. I will click on paste JSON as a class. So if I do that, you will be able to see this automatically created. So we can select a complex object. This is not a complex one, it's very simple one. But let's see, this one is having some deep objects. So let's say consider this. I copy it again, and then I will go there and I will delete all this, right? So I will delete it, and then I will go to file edit menu, and then paste as a JSON as a class. So you can see that whatever the complexity is there, without writing any code, we are able to create a class file from a particular JSON file. Now let's try to create a class file from XML. So I will go here and simple XML complex, let's say simple complex XML file data, right? Let's say, right? So I will click here and see that if it has some data. Okay, so we got that, but we are not having a copy option, so we will try to with copy option. With copy option, right? So we will put like this. We will try some other XML example. So let's say consider here, and here also we are not getting any data. Let's go. Yeah, we'll go here. We'll try to. Yeah, this data looks bigger one, but okay. Let's consider this data. Okay, I will copy this data and I will go there. And here this time I need to select uh, edit paste special XML as a class. So if I paste it right, you will be able to see that here your XML data, whatever you have it, is created a class equivalent class file here, and then it's get generated here, right? So now you can use either it's a JSON or XML data. What you can do that you can copy that, you can convert that JSON in the class file and can save this class. We can use serialization and deserialization purpose, so which will take very less time with compared to when you manually going to do that. First thing. Second is that whenever you are having a very complex deep object, right, sometime even though you know how to create a class equivalent class, it's going to take more time because it's a complex object which having the deep hierarchy or deep a relationship in element inside element. In that case, what will happen, it will take more time. Using this, you will be able to do in a minute or less than 1 minute. So I hope this video help you to understand how we can convert XML or JSON data in CSharp. If yes, I would like to request you to please join my channel and like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel.